Hello guys, welcome to NameTech channel. This is lesson 8 on NumPy universal functions, and we are going to discuss NumPy differences. But then before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. And to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support. And so guys, basically a discrete difference means subtracting two successful elements. Like for example, if you have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, then the discrete difference will be basically 2 minus 1, then a 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So guys, basically to find the discrete difference, we can use the diff function. Let me show you guys an example how to compute discrete difference of an array. And so before anything guys, always remember to do it to import the code library. We import in NumPy is an alias np, and then let me create here an object with variable a, then let me assign it to np dot array, and then let me create here a list. So let me say what, let me remember list is defined using these square brackets. Then let me say perhaps let me go with the 10, 15, basically let me say something like 30 and 40 and 40. So guys, basically the discrete difference, it will mean that it will be subtracting, for example, 15 minus 10, then 30 minus 15, 40, like that. So to do that, we are going to create here a new array, new object, new array, and then let me give it a b perhaps, and then let me assign it to np dot diff. Remember guys, I told you that to find the discrete difference, we use this diff function. Then now we are going to pass what? We are going to pass a here, sorry, it should be a, and then now to the print function, we are going to execute what? The new array. So let me say print what? Print the new array now b. Then let me run the codes, and then guys, basically this is how we can do the discrete difference. So basically it did 15 minus 10, that is 5, 30 minus 15, that is 15, 40 minus 30, that is 10. So guys, basically this is how we can compute the discrete difference of this array. And so guys, basically we can perform this operation repeatedly by giving the parameter perhaps n, by giving the parameter n. So let me show you guys an example how to compute discrete difference of an array twice. So here in this I'm gonna add here a new parameter here called n. Then now I want it to repeat twice, so let me give it 2. Then let me run the codes, and then guys, basically this is how we can compute discrete difference of this array twice. So basically this is all about NumPy differences, and I think you've gained something. Please consider subscribing, like and share the video to your friends. Until next time, this is Nehemiah. Goodbye.